and that system was given to us by our colonial masters. And it does not work for Jamaicans. As you know, 95% of Jamaicans live below the poverty line set by the US.
95%?
Sorry?
Where did you get that number from, 95%?
Oh, you can ask Bruce Bowden. He actually said the same thing in one of his speeches just after he demitted office, where he was explaining
this was he demitted office when?
Sorry?
He demitted office when?
He demitted office after the 2011 elections.
You might have to fact check you, Mr. Patterson. 95% of Jamaicans live below the poverty line. Anyway.
Absolutely. Please do fact check it. I wish you would and share that with your viewers, because it is a fact that the vast majority of Jamaicans are below the poverty line that's set by the U.S. government. That's a fact, actually.
True, that's not true, Mr. That's not true. You're saying some untruths. Your arguments though are based on some untruths, and that's what I'm saying. You cannot present an argument that is based on untruths. You have to locate your arguments in some.
But you have to allow me to explain before you. At the moment I make a comment, you start to object.
Yeah, because you're not speaking. Your premise is flawed and it's not truthful.
But let me tell you the premise. Here's the premise.
You have 20 seconds to finish your point.
Run and directed in a way that allows certain aspects of investors to control the economy and has not made it an open economy for most Jamaicans to participate.
That's about it, I'm afraid.
Every system,
Thank you very much for being such a good sport and for putting up with us this evening. We have to end. We have to end our interview. Thank you very much.
We'll definitely have you back.
Thank you very much for joining us this evening on CVM Live. It was a good conversation.
I want to check those poverty rate numbers.
We're asking you